Hello, welcome back. Peach milkshake. You heard me. Peach milkshake. Refreshing, nutritious, and delicious. And I'm going to show you how to make it yourself. 100% natural. So go nowhere. Let's create. Easier and to clean them, of course. So you use a peeler. You peel them. Doesn't have to be perfect. And actually, this one you can, because they went water, it's easier if you use your finger and take the stuff out. You know, just peel them out. See? Doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to peel it 100% if you don't want to. And now I'm going to cut them. No, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to use my little knife here. Okay. Now you're going to start cutting them into pieces so you can put it in the blender. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just, you know, chunks. What you don't want is the seed. So you just cut stuff around the seed. And you're going to save some of them to cut them into little square, because those little square ones you're not going to blend. That's for something else, you know, but you're going to blend most of them, about 3/4 of the amount. See how nice? Have to move my hand. And right now I'm cutting some into tiny pieces. I'm not going to blend once again these tiny ones. This is something I'm going to add after the milkshake is done. To add it to the milkshake. See, pretty. Tiny little pieces. Peaches, and I have about 3 peaches here. I would say 3.5 because I cut some in pieces. You add them to your blender. And once you add it to the blender, to blend them for a little bit first. Just for a little bit. To make some separate, I think. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to add vanilla ice cream. The real vanilla stuff. You don't want vanilla flavor because it's not the same. So I'm going to add about, maybe let's say 1 scoop here. Let's make it 2 because this is a milkshake. Yes, 2. Let's make it 3. You add that. And you're going to add milk. What kind of milk is up to you. I'll go with the unsweetened almond milk. It's a little bit, you add enough. Do you prefer thickness? And in addition to that, and this one I need to take the cap off, I hate this shit. Let me add a little bit. You want it nutritious, you want it flavorful. And in addition to that, if you want to, you can add some sugar. And I will, by the way. So, to my taste, about 3 teaspoon, maybe a couple tablespoons. I want it, you know, sweet. I really want it sweet. A little bit more milk. And let's rock and roll! Hoo-hoo.